In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So you want to click on your profile on the bottom right, and then from here you want to click on the three lines on the top right corner, and then click on settings and privacy. From here you want to click on account center at the very top, just click on that, and then now you want to go down and then hit on personal details right over here. Now you want to click on the bottom option, account ownership and control. And then now you want to click on deactivation or deletion. So now just select your account. And then now you can choose either to delete your account or deactivate. So we're going to be deactivating our account. So just click on continue. And then now you have to enter in your password. Continue. And then now basically just enter them a reason why you want to deactivate. So let's say you just need a break. Continue. And then just click on deactivate account. So that is how you deactivate your Instagram account. It's going to take a second to load. Logging out. And as you can see, it just deactivated my Instagram account, and then now I'm led to my other account.